What if your home battery not only slashed bills, but also paid you and supported the local grid? That's the promise of a virtual power plant, or VPP. Here's how it works and why choosing an independent install keeps you in control. A VPP links hundreds of home batteries through smart software. When demand peaks, the operator draws small bursts of power from each battery and pays the owner for that contribution. Join an approved VPP in New South Wales and you receive an incentive of up to $1,500 scaled to battery size. That payment stacks on top of the new 30% federal battery discount, so you maximise savings while strengthening the grid. The council buyback auto-enrolls you in a predetermined VPP on their terms. With an independent installation, you can choose any eligible VPP or none at all after comparing contract length, exit fees and payment rates. For example, the bulk buy VPP currently pays around 55 cents to $1 per kilowatt during high demand events and locks you into long-term contracts. Independent choice lets you keep full control, prioritise blackout backup, pick a higher tariff or switch providers as offers improve. Ask these questions of any VPP contract. If you can't change the answers, you are locked into a bundle. Independent buyers can negotiate every detail. Need clear advice on VPPs and rebates? Talk to Platinum Solar Designs. We'll design the right systems, secure your incentives and help you choose or skip the VPP that suits your priorities.